I have a very crappy LCD TV here, I mean LED TV. It uses off-the-shelf parts. That's the good part, because look, the whole front of the TV came off in one piece. All the diffusion layers and the LCD panel came off with the frame. I mean, this is just genius level design. Then we come to the plastic bag. That is not genius design, because the the Visa mounts are just these pieces of plastic that can't really hold the weight of a TV, and they are connected to this bendy plastic. So yeah, maybe that's not the best idea. But my current problem is that somebody burned down the LED strips, and it was fixed like this. Somebody just soldered over the burnt out LED, and then all the others got a lot hotter. You can see the burn marks on every one of them. So yeah, somebody took this to a repair shop and they refused, because let's face it, nobody wants to touch something like this when you open it and you see a botched job like this. So yeah, I tested all the LEDs. This one doesn't work, all the others light up. So I have a chance of fixing it, but I will replace this this soldered LED with a real one, a new one, and also this bad one I will replace, and let's see. Then, if it still doesn't work, I will have to source some new LED strips, which you can't get. As you can see, this has 2, 4, 6, 8. No kit in the world has 8 LEDs in a row. Not a single 32-inch TV. So I may have to construct one. So I will basically replace the whole strip, but with parts of other LED strips to match the holes on this thing, on the, what do you call it? Not a diffusion layer. It's just a reflective piece of plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. Paper covered with plastic, or just plastic. So yeah, ideally you want replacement bars that match the holes, because the diffusion layer and all the other stuff were designed for this. If it's not this, then the image will not look great. So yeah, this is the pickle, and I'm not willing to spend more than 10 bucks on this, because this is a really shit TV, like an HD. You can look up the model number. It's really shit, like worth 30 bucks, 50 bucks maybe, if it's working. It has 2 HDMI ports, VGA, PC audio, and antenna. And in the other earphone, USB. It's not smart. It just plays videos and music. And some analog input. So maybe for the analog inputs it's worth something. But otherwise, yeah, 50 bucks max. And yeah, I'll repair it, and in the worst case I can use an what do you call it, an external LED driver that you just switch on. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, cheap crappy TV, but it does have a real on-off button. This is really nice. Only Panasonics used to have this, and Sharps back in the day, like 20 years ago. So yeah, hopefully I will find something to replace these. If replacing the 2 individual LEDs doesn't work, then I have to solder something together and maybe make another video.